Hello and welcome to Firebase Application Development Projects. My name is Victor and this is a course by Pack Publishing. I will be your tutor for this course. I have been a teacher for the past 10 years and during that time I taught myself to code. And I run my own website, codechamp.com. The course is broken down into 6 sections. We will begin by setting up the development environment. Then we will construct an authentication system. I will show you how to store data using the Firestore and upload files to cloud storage. We will add chat functionality to the app and then host the project with Firebase. We're going to build a web application using Firebase, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Firebase is a back-end as a service and it's going to handle the authentication, which allows users to log in with email, Google, or Facebook. Firebase is also going to store data in a database known as a Firestore. It offers cloud storage, which will handle user-uploaded files. The Firestore can also be used to store chat messages. Now let's get started.